The center has proposed fresh tax reforms to make India a more attractive destination for global data center and cloud companies. On August 4th, the government introduced the Taxation and Other Laws Amendment Bill 2026 in the Lok Sabha. The bill aims to reduce compliance requirements for foreign companies using data center services in India by removing the need for separate government notifications to claim tax benefits. The move follows the Union Budget 2026-27, which announced a 20-year tax holiday until 2047 for foreign companies procuring data center services in India. The policy was introduced to ensure that such companies would not face taxation on their global income in India. Under the proposed amendments, foreign companies will no longer require separate approval from the central government to claim their income tax exemption. The bill also removes the requirement for the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology to notify eligible data centers. According to the Income Tax Department's FAQs, both foreign cloud service providers and Indian data center operators will only need to furnish information in the prescribed format under the rules. The bill also allows Indian companies to operate data centers on a leased model instead of restricting them to direct ownership. This is expected to provide greater flexibility for businesses and expand the country's data center ecosystem. Government sources said the reforms are aimed at improving ease of doing business, attracting global investment, and helping India develop large scale AI data cities in the coming years. The bill was introduced in the Lok Sabha without opposition members speaking against it, despite notices having been submitted.